What are we doing? What are we talking about? What's the subject at hand? I'm here. So what's the subject? Talk to me. No? Okay. So what's going on here is, ladies and gentlemen, is a fully and readily available trucker trifold, hand tooled by yours truly. How you doing, ladies? Yeah. So I chose a "Don't Tread on Me" version of how I was feeling that day, and so I took a couple of hatchets, and I got my snake, and yeah, don't tread on me. You know why? I will cut you. You laughing at me, Mike?
I am.
Anyways, so what we have here, trucker trifold and a black and tan, Anvil's favorite basket weave tool, the hibiscus basket weave. Those are little hibiscus flowers straight out of Hawaii. But anyways, we'll open this up. We'll show you the full art, framed in a tan frame against a black basket weave. We have this frontal, I call it the frontal pocket. We go ahead and open it on up to a matte black American alligator belly for the interior against a black and tan, distressed black and tan, that is, Anvil liner. So you got your ID slot up here. You have 6 card slots across here. Each one, once it's broke in, will hold 3 to 4 cards if you break it in properly. Yeah, so I mean, you're looking at about, let's just say maximum of 3 cards each. You're looking at 6, that's 18, plus another 21 cards. Who carries 21 cards? No one does. But that's what you can carry in this. Antique, black, vintage black RTA snaps. And I'm gonna couple it today with this rad stainless and black stainless full Persian 22-inch wallet chain. Excuse me while I take a sip of Nature's Crystal. It's got a hint of grape. Hold on. Beet juice. Alfalfa. With the formaldehyde finish. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's kind of good. It's refreshing. It's got a great flavor to it. Nature's Crystal. You can get it at your nearest Costco or Walmart. All right, we're done.